Sunday is a fun day because I have a sweet little cat. Gingy, do you love me? You're so cute. Uh-oh, did Mommy buy so many beauty masks again? Yeah, all right, this is the mask. Should I have bought treats for you? Yeah? Okay, wait, you get a treat. Gingy, they say all over the internet when a cat winks, that means they love you. Ginge, I love you too. You're the cutest. Oh my God. Ginge. Well, you guys, I'm telling you, that was a night. Well, I've got to hang over. Please don't let my mom know. Well, Jesus, that was a night. Oh. What did I do? I can't remember. Oh. Gingy, come. Let's go outside. No, Mom. It's too cold. I don't want to go outside. That's too cold. Not today. We go outside now. Come on. Sweetheart. We have to brush your teeth now. I'm sorry.
No, I don't think so.
Hey, YouTube family. It's Gingerbong. If you made it that far in my video, you maybe want to subscribe and hit the like button, please. It would feel like a million tweets. I love you all so much, and I see you now, from now on, every Sunday here on this YouTube channel. Bye. Love you so much.